Let me check what's inside, because this ladies, it might be just Jesus dollars. I have made it. Today is shut down. Hey, iPhone dollars. What am I going to do now? No, I have to sell this iPhone so that they will not track me. With this iPhone, they can track me. Then this money, baby, I am coming. Let me shut you down. What would I do with this bag, Seth? I don't need this bag. Jukes, I was actually coming to meet you because I have this important something that I want to show you, and it's a good business.
I hope you are not here for money. No, I don't have money.
No, I brought business for you. Look at this iPhone. I want to sell it. Yes, I have this important something that I need to sort out, a project, and the money is choking me.
How much?
Just give me 5,000. As my man now, you know, iPhone is very costly in the market.
5,000.
Yes, 5,000, just 5,000.
And you're very sure of it?
Yes, now this is my phone. I bought it last week, but I just want to sell it out because of the project I have at hand.
I hope this phone is not stolen.
Why would you say that now, Chooks? This is my iPhone. The picture is there. Can't you see my picture? It's just 5,000 naira.
5,000?
Yes.
I'm not sure I have only 5,000. I have some projects right now.
How much do you have now?
Can you manage this 1,000?
1,000?
Yes, now.
This is the iPhone. If you